The PR System One REMstar Pro with humidifier and heated tubing is designed to provide the user with an easier-to-read interface, new comfort features, and a sleeker look that will fit on a bedside table with limited obstruction. The PR System One REMstar Pro also features humidity control and heated tubing. The heated tubing allows the user to sleep comfortably without having to worry about rainout to the mask and lungs. Internal software technology determines and analyzes temperature and airflow, allowing for the REMstar Pro to adjust the humidity on the mask automatically. The REMstar Pro has 3 levels of humidity and 5 levels of temperature for the heated tubing, which allows the user to pick the most comfortable setting. The top cover of the humidifier will only open to a 45-degree angle. Do not force this open as you risk snapping or breaking off the top. Once you have lifted the top, slide the chamber towards your body for safe removal and cleaning. Also, be sure to fully dry the chamber after you clean and only use distilled water for the chamber contents to prevent calcium and mineral buildup.
And in frame.